Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. So, inflation is continuing to skyrocket, and more lawmakers are becoming very concerned about the American people. There are now multiple states and cities that have approved their own relief payments. I know that many of you are wondering whether you will be receiving a check from your state or city. So friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details that you need to know. And at the end of this video, I will be announcing the winner of yesterday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter tomorrow's giveaway, friends, all you have to do is make sure that you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card.
Nobody forced the Democrats to vote to cram a $2 trillion spending bill through Congress last March. Oh no, party line vote, the Democrats in this body, Nancy Pelosi and the Democrats in the House, and Joe Biden only 2 months into his presidency. Democrats say, oh no, it's coronavirus. That's what they said it was for, but when you take a look at that bill, only 1 out of every $11 actually went for medical care. The rest went to a big Democrat wish list. Includes government checks to illegal immigrants. These are criminals behind bars receive checks from the government in the name of coronavirus relief. Nobody forced the Democrats to open the southern border. So the crisis that we have of inflation and the crisis that we have in the border are both crises of choice by the Democrats. Now here we are 15 months into the Democrats' administration. The number one issue in America today is inflation. 40-year high inflation numbers. 9 out of 10 Americans, and Mr. President, I would just point out 9 out of 10 Americans hardly ever agree on
plans of additional stimulus funds to help American households during this ongoing crisis are being negotiated right now in Congress. State lawmakers are also ready to take action and get more relief sent out as soon as possible. There are currently several states that are now providing additional financial help to those who need it the most. This help comes in various forms, from gas cards to dull the sting of high fuel costs to tax credits, tax rebates, and also cash payments. Just recently, friends, Kansas Governor Laura Kelly announced a proposal for a one-time $250 tax rebate to all Kansas residents who filed a 2020 tax return in 2021. The governor cited the rising cost of gas and other basic goods. Governor Kelly said in a statement, "Our strong economic growth would not be possible without the hard work of Kansas taxpayers. And I want to return this money to the people who earned it, especially right now when we are all experiencing the impact of rising costs at the gas pump and grocery store. The state can make an immediate and direct impact to help Kansas families pay their bills and save for the future." So friends, it's great to know that more and more state governments are sending out money to their residents. Hawaii's legislature and Governor David Ige also appears ready to approve a new tax rebate in the state. According to multiple sources, the House of Representatives advanced a bill last week that would give $300 per person to tax filers who earn under $100,000 per year and $100 to those who earn more than that. So my friends, do any of you reside in any of these states that are providing its residents with its own form of stimulus checks? Please let me know in the comment section below. The Bureau of Labor Statistics just released a new report. Inflation rose again in April, continuing a climb that has pushed consumers to the brink, and it's threatening the economic expansion. The Consumer Price Index, which is a broad-based measure of prices for goods and services, increased 8.3% from a year ago. It is higher than the Dow Jones estimate for an 8.1% gain. That represented a slight ease from March's peak, but it was still close to the highest level since the summer of 1982. Removing volatile food and energy prices, the Consumer Price Index still rose 6.2%. That is against expectations for a 6% gain. This new report, friends, is clouding hopes that inflation had peaked in March. Inflation has been the single biggest threat to a recovery that began early in the crisis and saw the economy in 2021 stage its biggest single-year growth level since 1984. Rising prices at the gas pump and in the grocery stores have been one major big problem. But inflation has spread beyond those two areas into housing, auto sales, energy, and a host of other areas. The Federal Reserve officials have responded to the problem with 2 interest rate hikes so far this year, and pledges of more until inflation comes down to the central bank's 2% goal. However, Wednesday's data shows that the Fed has a big job ahead of them. Adding to worries is a continual rise in housing costs. Home buyers have faced a dilemma during the crisis. The Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas recently said that the property market is showing signs of a brewing U.S. housing bubble. That may be unsettling to millions of potential home buyers who are coping with the myriad financial pressure point. For one, mortgage rates are swiftly rising, and the national median listing price for a home has jumped to record highs. Friends, the keyword for this video is Venice. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Venice, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, also please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Meanwhile, more home buyers are opting for adjustable rate mortgages, since these loans offer a lower initial rate for a number of years, but then adjust annually at higher rates. Demand for adjustable rate mortgages has jumped 26% from a year earlier. There are signs that rising rates are impacting the real estate market, with Redfin predicting that the home price growth will come to an end soon. So my friends, how's the housing market in your community? Please let me know in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Rory Cofield. Congratulations, my friend. Please reply with your email to claim your gift card, or you can also message me on my Facebook page. And please have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.